Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. If you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So today's video, or this cover, is going to kind of replace Vlogmas day 11 because half of my videos are corrupt when I was about to actually edit it. So whatever footage I can actually save, which I think is about 4, I will add into day 12, so you guys can look out for that. So today I'll be doing the song So This Is Christmas, and I'm actually going to try. So let us get into this video.
It ain't even cold outside now where I'm from.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Welcome to this Christmas. Yes, it goes.
Alright guys, so let us begin. So this is Christmas, and what have you done? Another year over, a new one just begun. And so this is Christmas. I hope you have fun. The near and the dear ones, the old and the young. A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear. And so this is Christmas, for weak and for strong, the rich and the poor ones. The war is so long, and so happy Christmas for black and for white, for yellow and red ones. Let's stop all the fights. A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear. And so this is Christmas, and what have we done? Another year over, a new one just begun. And so happy Christmas. We hope you have fun. The near and the dear ones, the old and the young. A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear. And so this is Christmas, and what have you done? Another year over, a new one just begun. guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys liked, please go ahead and hit that like button and comment something down below. Comment what your thoughts are down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified every time I make a video. And today's subscriber shout out goes to The Life with Deborah. Thanks for subscribing and commenting. She also has a channel, so you guys can go ahead and subscribe to her. And then today's motivational comment goes to Sassy Shine, and it says forgive and keep moving forward. So in this Christmas season, guys, don't forget to forgive if you know there's somebody who has wronged you. Forgive and move on with your life. And I just want to say bye guys, and have a merry and happy Christmas. Bye.